to Smart Money AI. In this video, let me show you how you can buy USDT or how you can buy crypto on the OKX exchange, right? So this is my OKX account. As you can see, I don't have any this thing here, right? So I want to buy some dollars, some USDT. So first, all I have to do is to click on this buy crypto, right? So I'll click on here. I'll select the P2P trading. Please follow each suit so next time you can also buy, right? I'll click on P2P trading, and when it opens, I don't have the coins. If I have the coins and I wanted to sell, I'll click on sell, but this I want to buy, and by default it's on buy, so I move on. Right now, let me show you something here. Whenever you come here, make sure you check this. I'm in Ghana and it has been set to Ghana cedis. If you were to be in Nigeria or any other country, make sure the currency is set to your local currency, because you are going to buy with your local currency, right? Now let me show you something here. You see these guys, I actually want to buy with mobile money, but let me show you something here. When you see here, this guy, his method of or mode of payment is cheaper cash. Yeah, but this guy has mobile money, MTN mobile money, as you can see, right? And I can buy from his order limit is from 30 cedis to 437 cedis, right? And he has made, you have to check all these things. He has made 548 transactions with 91% accuracy rate. So always when you are buying, make sure you check that stuff, because you don't want to buy with someone below 10 transactions. He may not be experienced, and at the end you find yourself wanting, right? So all I have to do is to click on this buy, right? Is to click on it, and a new page will pop up. Okay, so when I click on this buy, I'll enter the amount that I want to buy. Okay, so I'm buying 200 cedis, right? And the 200 cedis will give me 17.33 USDT, right? Okay, so after that, then I click on buy. After that, I'll click on this buy, right? Okay, so buy with zero fees, and the payment method is MTN mobile money. So let's wait for the next page to pop up. So when this page pops up, look at something here. Just click on this message button, right? And you see this is his terms. He said for MTN, drop your number and allow cash out. For Vodafone cash, blah 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 blah. So I want to buy with MTN, so let me drop my number. I'll be paying with my MTN, right? So 0247 080 yeah. So I'll just drop the, let me add this, cash out allowed. So I'll just drop the number. Now let me go back to my dial pad, and then allow cash out for him to take out the money. Oh, sorry, I used, okay, I should actually use sim 1, right? Okay, so I'll allow cash out just like that. So you can buy with your mobile money, right? Now cash out is allowed, so we wait for the prompt window, right? We wait for the prompt window. Sometimes the network may delay the message delivery duration. You see that, you see IPC is not connected, blah 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 blah. So I've already given him a message, so let's wait. Very soon we will see the prompt. And then please, on this channel I make videos on how to make money, especially the trading plan or the trading strategy I brought of late. In fact, guys are making a lot. Even me myself, I made like $70+ yesterday in just 24 hours. Just imagine. Okay, so the payment prompt is in. Let me enter my code, but please, you can't see my code. Okay, so I've entered my code. I'll approve the transaction, right? You see cash out made for 200 cedis to primary for blah 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 blah. Current balance is 580. Okay. So once you've made payment, right, after you made payment, just click on this continue, right? Okay, click on continue. Okay, so payment completed. You click on payment completed. I have paid. You click on here, you tick this box and then confirm payment, right? Okay, so here you remind the seller. Okay, a reminder has been sent to the seller. So let's just wait. Please go through my channel. There are lots of educative content, especially on how you can make money online, right? Make sure you watch them and be making massive money. All right, so here a reminder has been sent to the seller, blah 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 blah. So let's wait for him to release the coins and then we'll be good to go, right? Make sure you go through my channel. The recent money making video I posted was the derive something. Guys, get registered, go through the videos. There's my referral link in the description. I'll also leave it here. You can also go through the description of this video. I'll leave okay, so now I've received my 17.33 USDT, right? 17.33 USDT. So let's go back to my account and then see my balance now, and you can see this. Look at something here. I actually don't know where the $0.02 are, because I received 17.33. I don't, okay, maybe there are a bit some invisible transaction fees, so you can imagine. So this is how you can actually buy USDT. So in the next video, I'll show you how you can, as you have USDT now, how you can use this USDT to buy other coins, right? Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you another time. Bye bye.